Hey guys, I'm Thomas,
And I'm Melissa.
and welcome to Home on the Edge. We travel around in our RV trying to find ways to make every moment count.
Because tomorrow's not guaranteed, so if this sounds like you or you're interested in RV travel,
That's right. Hang out with us for a little while. Let's answer some questions. Today is an exciting day for us because we're actually going to get to meet a subscriber, which is something that we've not done face to face. So that's kind of pretty cool for us. And we're going to show you a Grand Design Momentum that I'm pretty sure you didn't even know existed. So.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be a final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the
Knock, knock.
No one's home.
No one's home. Knock,
See, it
knock.
really is a real camper.
That's awesome, man. Hey, it's nice to meet you.
Hi, Melissa, how are
nice
you?
to meet you, Steve.
Hey,
Y'all come on in.
yeah, we'd love to.
We have two little dogs.
That's
we-
okay.
We'll
We
put them in
have,
the garage.
We have one little dog.
well, you've seen our
that's-
ankle biter.
that one apart because the slide out.
Yeah.
It's common on even like any of the fifth wheels where they have the shorter slide in the bedroom.
Yeah.
For some reason they don't seal that edge,
Yeah.
and the water comes down,
Yeah.
comes right underneath, goes right in the floor, and it
Oh,
rotted the
rots
edge
the
of it
floor,
out.
Yeah.
So when we got back from Indiana,
Yeah.
went to open the slide and it dropped, and when
Oh,
it did,
no.
it sheared those little. It has like pop rivets in the
Yeah, yeah.
slide track on the
Knocked
swing
them right
tack.
off. Yeah.
So since we were doing it, we ripped the whole floor out and replaced the floor in that
That's
slide,
awesome.
which I thought was going to be a nightmare, and it was easy.
Was it? That's good.
The
'cause-
carpet was
And
fine.
then the carpet. So then Melissa decides she wants to recarpet.
So how do you end up with a purple?
So what
Momentum.
we were told, we've been told
And
a
like,
few things.
I've
We
never
went to the
you know-
Grand Design National Rally.
Right.
Okay. Mainly more
They
than
even-
anything, Thomas.
I think it's.
I wanted to
my
know
eyes pl-
about this.
My eyes play
because
tricks on me
the
because it
layout
kind
of
of looks
this,
purple. It's
there
like-
is no other momentum in production like this.
with this layout.
They have this slide,
Okay. Hold
but
on,
they
let's
have
see.
this one's different.
Uh-huh.
The bedroom's completely different from any of the momentum.
So what
ones.
year is this?
It says it's a 3 of 15 is when it was manufactured.
Okay.
According to Grand Design, there was 4 of these done that were purple. They were done actually in the Solitude line, not the Momentum line, and that's why it has the different interior. It has the Solitude interior. in it.
In a momentum.
Yeah.
Well.
So it was kind of wild, you know.
So why didn't they
So that was
continue
neat
the
to find
purple? Because I think it looks amazing.
Yeah, I guess they decided not to go with it.
And each purple's different because
But
they
it was a
only did 4 to
prototype
run
one.
it out.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. After the first one, they added something else to it to try to run the purple out of it.
Really?
So that's what the guy from Grand Design
That's
told us.
crazy.
And then the plant manager told us that those 4 were actually built in Solitude plant, not the Momentum plant.
Interesting.
Interesting.
So it's like, okay.
That's extreme. So I mean, did you just pick it up at a dealership?
Yeah, we found this at a used lot down in Sebring.
Really?
So that's
So-
pretty exciting to have a one of a kind kind of.
Yeah.
Well, so that's what I was thinking. Like when I'll go back to the driving, the stalking on
Yeah.
on the
Yeah,
interstate. I'm
Seems
like,
like, why is this guy?
Yeah, I'm like, what the heck is
we're
going on
driving,
here?
and I'm
Because
talking.
he was like behind me.
I'm talking to
then over on
Melissa,
this
and I'm like-
side, then over on that
I'm like,
side.
wait a minute, what?
What the heck's he
He's like,
doing?
wait a minute,
I'm like, I see a purple momentum.
And I'm like,
So I get up, I'm like,
I would
what's?
say that has to be him.
I'm like,
Yeah.
give me the. I'm like, she's on the phone looking for the post that you sent it in the live stream where you sent the picture of it. Then I'm like, well, send me a picture. Not thinking that we'll just drive up next to him, dumbass. And you're gonna know what she
It's
looks
not
like.
Yeah.
They know what their rig
So
looks like.
I'm like,
it's a
so here I
question.
am. So I was like, here I am driving up like an idiot with a picture of his rig. So I'm like, not them. I'm like, she tell we're not used to people knowing what we look like.
And, you know, I never thought to say anything that night
Here we are
before.
chasing our subscribers.
Because
knowing
you
what
said
they
you
look
had to
like,
run
not
up to
even
pick one
Yeah.
up.
So we're
It
like,
never dawned on me, well, hell, they're
No.
coming out of Georgia. He's going to be coming
I'm
the
like,
exact
what?
same way
and,
we
and
just
I'm like,
came.
on the phone, I was like, well, he said they were on the road, and there was only like 3 of these.
Yeah,
things.
we
I was
were
like,
in
that is
Nashville
good.
that
Oh,
night.
that night?
We
Okay.
stopped in Nashville because my brother-in-law lives in Nashville.
That's crazy. I
So
mean,
we
it was
went and
crazy. I was like,
visited with
what are
them
the
for a
odds?
while.
What are the odds of that even happening? I mean, that's.
So-
We were down. We were
Not
looking at
really,
Airstream
But I'll tell you.
yesterday, the day before.
That's still ours.
They're not even doing everything. If you want one, if you're going to buy a new Airstream,
Yeah.
it's
This is
built
my
to order.
store thing I
Just
made.
can't get them.
you know you can get it, but it's built to order. That's all they're doing now.
Oh, okay.
Like if you want one, you go pay for it. They'll build it. You get it in 13 months, and you know, and that's what they're doing.
Airstreams are nice because you don't have the leak problems, but holy cow, you got to mortgage the house to buy
I'm
it.
like, God Almighty! But we walked into that one yesterday, and I was like,
A prime rib and a
ooh, this is nice. It's
Well, the
nice.
nice thing is,
But
they're you know the shape of them.
I
They're
bet that
short,
thing toes like a
They're sealed
ring.
tight as can be. Yeah, I would bet that thing pulls.
Oh,
like
I
it's
bet
not even there.
it. Yeah.
The only thing Melissa don't like up there is no internet. There's no cell service. There's
Ah.
we bought a Wii Boost
Yeah.
and mounted it in
How's
here.
that work out for you?
We went to the Kangas
Eh.
Highway. Have you ever heard of that?
You could get a text message
We would
now
go
and
out
again,
Yeah.
but that was it.
Yeah. it's not
Phone
really-
calls you can pretty much forget.
Do y'all use it
So,
much? I mean, or
That's the
no?
only time I've ever used it, but I haven't the way I did it.
Because we've gone back and forth about that.
See, I have
A Wii Boost.
the one right here,
Right.
and all the rest of it's up here.
Well, no, we didn't have a Wii Boost. We had a,
So it's right there.
Wi-Fi. Yeah.
And then I've got the way our internet here is.
Right.
We use this with the Max Transit.
Oh yeah,
We
yeah.
have a
yeah.
Max Transit
Yeah.
Duo. And then
Okay.
it's got that antenna
And
in the
that
middle.
antenna goes there.
So, and then I have a pole which we can hook on here. And I just run the wires through here.
So
And
you
I got
slide
a
out.
pole that hangs out on the outside.
But y'all don't. So
So we don't use it unless we get out somewhere like that where you have like no cell signal.
otherwise, it picks up pretty good on your.
Yeah, we don't have any problem. That Max Transit is
Do you
worked
have
really,
a
really well.
directional Yagi antenna? Or
We
is it-
do.
Yeah.
We have
So you
that
kinda
on a
point
pole
it-
if we ever need
Point
it.
it to wherever you need to point it.
Yeah.
Giblets. Get my giblets out of the picture. My
Get your giblets in order.
Get all your jib jabs.
They leaving you.
Jib jabs in a way. Ah, all right. Enough screwing around.
Okay.
All right. Hi.
Well, I just want to test everything out
Right.
before I'm like,
Okay.
oh shit, that doesn't work. Now this is so comfortable. It is spring loaded. Spring loaded.
Close enough.
Pottery Barn thought of this amazing little desk space that you can. I don't fit very well. Right back on there. Right, it just fits right back on there. So here you can check your laundry, or you can check your laundry.